Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card with Discover Card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your credit card with a Discover Card, first, log into your Discover account online or via the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Security or Security Features tab. Here, you will find various options to enhance your card's protection. One key feature is the Freeze Your Card option. This allows you to temporarily disable your card if you suspect it might be lost or stolen. If you use this feature, you can easily reactivate your card when you're ready. Next, enable alerts for your account. These alerts can notify you of any purchases made with your card. You can customize the type of alerts you receive, such as spending limits or unusual activity. Consider using the no annual fee option if you're looking for additional savings while protecting your credit. It's crucial to regularly monitor your account activity. Check for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately. Another effective option is to create a unique PIN for your card. This adds an extra layer of security, especially for online purchases. Remember to use strong, unique passwords for your Discover account. Avoid using easily guessed information, like birthdays or common phrases. You can also take advantage of Discover's identity theft protection services. This service helps monitor your credit report and alerts you to potential fraud. Make sure to keep your personal and financial information private. Avoid sharing your card details over the phone or through email unless you're sure it's secure. Lastly, always ensure your devices are protected with antivirus software. This helps safeguard your personal information from online threats. By following these steps, you can significantly lessen the risk of credit card fraud with your Discover Card. Stay vigilant and proactive about your credit card security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.